Hello. Are you find a solution to solve your problem in your software of Hyperx? So, it's here. When you click in any connected product, have a question to download the drivers, but don't install. So, let's fix this. It's simple. First, you click with your right button and find your task manager. After it, you're gonna find your Hyperx and this software. Okay? So first you need to open your helper. So clicking the helper and then right button, open the file. Uh, open uh, path, anything like this, okay? After it, you're gonna press Alt and arrow up two times. One, two. Copy the copy the folder assets to some path. In my case, I will put this on documents. So here I have a document. I create a folder driver hyperx and then I paste here. So I'm delete it and paste. Yes, okay, it's here. It's simple. You can close this and then you're gonna press with right button in the window. Open your uh, I don't know English, sorry, but manager anything open. After it, you're gonna press with right button to add a drive. The first option. Press here. Select the folder that you put your assets. In my case, I selected uh, document. So let's find this. Okay, close documents. Driver HyperX assets. Select and then press here. Continue. After it, your computer needs to restart. Reboot your system and then open your HyperX software. Okay, now the driver have been installed. Thank you. Bye.